Alright guys, so in this video I want to talk about a tactic that every single one of you should be using right now or should have used in the past before ordering or making or even just kind of thinking about going for a product. And what I'm talking about here is looking at your competitors in more detail. So if we was to pull up the X-ray extension for this product yoga mats, I'm sure we kind of already know what we're going to see. We're going to see a lot of sales, probably a lot of reviews as well, and generally not a very good product to go for at this moment in time because they're just too saturated basically. But apart from that, we can look at the numbers all day long. We can look at the numbers and understand what we need to do, and say if these numbers provided us the best product possible, it's always a bad idea just to go ahead and sell another foam yoga mat or another whatever material they're made out of, another yoga mat, because that's not really going to bring a longevity and just a differentiation and a selling point to your listing by just selling another yoga mat. If you scroll through here, everyone is just selling a yoga mat. So in some way you likely want to try and improve or differentiate this product, which is something I'm sure you've all heard before. And one of the best ways to do that is by looking at a listing's reviews. So I've opened up a few listings at the top here. So these are generally what I would regard to be the best sellers for this product based on the results we've just shown. So normally we go down to the bottom here, look at their reviews, and just kind of look through them that way. But Helium 10 actually has a tool that allows us to do this much quicker and breaks it down for us much easier, so we can extract the data that we need much faster. So if you come to the Helium 10 extension in the top right corner where it normally is and come over to Review Downloader, it allows you to download the reviews from a listing based on what kind of star rating you want. So instead of just looking at all the 1 stars or all the 2 stars or all the 3 stars, we can say to Helium 10 to download all of the 3-star reviews, so the 1 star, 2 star and 3-star reviews, download them all and give them to us in an easy to read format and take out all the keywords that we could use to basically assume what the key points in this product are. So it might take out the keywords such as like thin, poor quality, and these are keywords that we can really pick up on by taking off the 3-star and below rankings for this product. So if I was to go ahead and extract that, which I've actually already done over here, it's going to give us all the reviews that are 1, 2 and 3 stars, which we can then read through very quickly. But apart from that, it also does something that is, like I said, very helpful, where we come over to analysis and it's going to give us all of these top keywords. Now this can be a bit hit and miss. Sometimes it just takes out keywords such as like and, because there's a bunch of the time it's just a keyword that a lot of people use, but I'm sure there is some keywords in here. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's always something that's good to look at, but just in general I find this tool to be very helpful in understanding what my competitors are doing well, what they're not doing well, and what I can improve on. So if we came over to this person here and looked at the analysis, we've got very disappointing, very slippery, wouldn't recommend, just kind of the common words you would think of. So like I said, this is kind of hit and miss sometimes. Like here we've got downward dog, so I guess some people are having more fun with this yoga mat than others, but that's just one of the keywords that for some reason is commonly mentioned. So some people are definitely having some extravagant experiences with their yoga mats. But anyways guys, this tool is very useful. I just recommend everyone to give it a try, extract your reviews from 1, 2 and 3 stars. And just for anyone wondering, the reason why I go for 3 stars is because you can often find that if someone's leaving a 3-star review, even though there might be some positives in there, there's a lot of the time some negatives as well. So just for an example, if we try and find a 3-star review, which is probably going to take ages now, so is the one closer on this side. So here is a bunch of 3-star reviews. So as I said, 3-star reviews are often just, they're okay, but they have a lot of negatives in them as well. So been using for 6 weeks, is ripped in places, mat is lovely quality, fit and comfortable, but the carry handle wasn't included. So again, just negatives that are kind of, there's a positive and a negative in the 3-star reviews, so I'd always go for them as well, just because you're always going to find stuff in these reviews that, like I said, aren't always positive. So it's not like it looks in the picture, straps aren't holding at the ends, not wide enough. So loads of negatives in the 3-star reviews, guys, so I'd always look at those. But in general, like I said, give this tool a try, see how you like it. I think it's a very good way to look at all the reviews, 1, 2 and 3 stars all at the same time, rather than having to look at them individually. So hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, I'd really appreciate a subscribe, bell notification, like and a comment below on what you thought of the video. I'll see you in the next one.